Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain that all the statements in Java should end with semicolon symbol. So let's get started. We know in English language, the statement should end with a full stop, right? For example, in English, if you are referring to English, let me write something in English. My name is Arun Motori dot. Okay, I'll put a full stop here. At the end of the statement in English, I generally put full stop. I love Java programming. Like that, wherever I'm ending the statement, I'm ending the statement with this symbol in English. In English, I'm ending the statement with full stop. But coming to the Java programming, okay, coming to the Java programming, all the statements, okay, all the statements in Java programming should end with symbol semicolon symbol. Okay, this symbol is called as semicolon symbol. The symbol will look something like this. It's called as semicolon symbol. Let me show you practically how the statements in Java programming actually end with semicolon symbol. For example, here is some sample code, Java code. And here we have the class. Inside the class, we have the main method. And inside this main method from where the execution actually starts, there is one example statement. Okay. It is a print statement. It is a print statement against println in Java. So this particular statement is ending with which symbol? Semicolon symbol. What if I remove this semicolon symbol? I am going to get some error. Java will not accept. Like in English, the statements in English generally end with full stop. Similarly, in Java programming, whatever the statement, this is one example statement. There are so many types of statements we can write in Java programming. But for example, this print statement is ending with semicolon symbol. If I put semicolon only, the error is going. Otherwise, we are getting the errors, right? So all the statements in Java programming should end with which symbol? Semicolon symbol. So this is the example. So let me give that example here. Example like, okay, System.out.println semicolon. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.